everyone, my name is Mackenzie Yamazaki and I'm a realtor with Berkshire Hathaway in Anaheim Hills, and today I'm going to be going over the market and the numbers for February of 2020. I cannot believe we're already in March, but now that we are in March, all of those numbers are available. So I'm going to go over them, and then also I'm going to explain what they mean. They're going to be the same numbers that you see everywhere. So I ran the numbers for Corona, California. I did also run the numbers for Southern California, and they're really similar in terms of what type of market we're in. But obviously, you know, living in Southern California, the numbers vary widely across the board and zip codes. So the numbers for the prices per square foot and housing is going to be different. But if you are at all curious what the prices in an area that you're looking to buy, or even what your home is currently worth, maybe even if you're not looking to sell right now, you just want to know, please let me know and I will run all of those numbers for you and send them right over. So I'm going to get into the numbers for Corona, California for February of 2020. So for new listings, we had 225 new listings come on the market. So that's up 0.9% from February of 2019. Active listings, we had 402 new active listings come on the market, which is also down 33%. And we are still at a 2-month supply. If you watched my video from last month, we were at a 2-month supply. This time last year, we had a 3.5-month supply. So this is down 35%. So what that means is that we don't have a lot of inventory, that our inventory is lower right now than it was last year, and that our month supply is also lower right now than it was last year. So a month supply is if nothing new came on our market, it would take 2 months for us to sell all of the homes that are for sale right now. And that's really not a long time. Is that if there is less than 3 months supply, we are in a seller's market. And if we have more than 6 months supply, we are in a buyer's market. And anything that is between 3 and 6 would be a neutral market. There's enough inventory for buyers and there's enough buyers for the inventory. Right now, we just don't have a lot of inventory, so it is going quickly. Our days on market number is 53. That is up 8 days from last month, but that's down 1% from last year. So a way to look at this is the more days on market would indicate a buyer's market, the less days on market would indicate a seller's market. So we are still down from last year, so this is still looking as though we're in a seller's market. The average home price was $533,908, and the average price per square foot is $258, which is down 1.9% from last year. So when looking at these numbers, just keep in mind that the average home price is going to be affected by our most expensive inventory as well as our least expensive inventory. So a better indicator of property values would be the price per square foot. And lastly, 99.1% of homes sold at their list price. So what that means is that sellers are not budging on their price. They're not negotiating. That would also show that we are in a seller's market. When looking at this, the closer the percentage is to 100 would indicate a seller's market, and then obviously vice versa. So just a recap, it still does look like it's a seller's market, although it is such a great time to get into a home right now. Our interest rates are still historically low, which is amazing. So if you already are in a home, you might want to look at refinancing because the interest rates are so good right now. And again, if you are wondering what your home value is worth, or maybe a neighborhood that you're looking to move into, please reach out to me. I would love to run all those numbers for you, and I hope that you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks.